Alright, so I just got stopped out on this trade. I attempted to add another long at the retest of 2761, or not a retest, but just simply a test of 2761. I ended up stopping myself out around 2759. My initial entry was 2758.75. And it was in the part of the initial breakout of this move, and with a $200 loss on this trade, I want to say. I'm not exactly sure of the numbers, but as you can see, it caught itself at 2756, 57 area, right back to that magnet area that I keep referring to, and it could definitely just could have been a fake breakout, and now comes the real thing. But I would rather let it build now, and then get let it build, let it restructure, and let it set up for another trade. Even though at this point I do think I don't want to risk any more money because I am close to the $1,000 limit, and it would be horrible to have to reset again. This would be my third time. But so yeah, that was my initial plan for this trade. I did try multiple times to catch the bottom here and got stopped out multiple times. So that added to my loss. I think what I should have focused on when I had the chance, just really trading price. I think I was just trying to. I felt really focused on trying to grab these setups. Like I should have sold. So I should have bought. Let's see. I should have focused on buying this, selling this, buying back here, selling back here. Or I don't even know if I would have been able to do that, but with precision. But at least for sure, like selling this high right here and running it back down to 27.57. Instead of waiting for that pullback that I was planning to do, I would have been more comfortable doing that just because from what happened back here on this day or yesterday, and now actually watching this go up is not making me uncomfortable. But yeah, that was my plan for today on trading ES. I got whipped out in CL a lot. It's currently, as you can tell on this 30-minute chart, just hanging out between 61.1 and 61.4. I tried multiple times. I think I got one good trade in here, shorting it down from 61.30 to 61.20, 61. Let's see if I can get it right. So from here down to here, 61.10, 61.05. I want to say I got around 61.05. So that was one good first trade, or profitable trade. And then I kept trying to catch. I bought in here only to get. Oh no, I bought in here at 61.24 just to get stopped out at 61.11 and whipped out around here. And then I tried buying at 61.33, adding at 36, getting stopped out at 21. Then we saw whips all around. Then again, I tried buying around 61. Let's see, let's go down a little bit. Again, I tried at the 61. Again, I tried at 61.30. Stop again at 61.21. Got stopped out, and this is where I lost most of my profits here. And instead of waiting for the breakout to either side for the trend move, I kept trying to catch the bottom for the trend move, which now, of course, now has proven costly to me, and now I'm not able to risk anymore. Yeah, so those have been my trades for today. I almost want to get back on this in this S&P, but it's just I know I'm pretty close to I can easily be liquidated at this point, and if I do see a good risk reward scenario, I might take it. Particularly in C and crude, maybe it might be able to put me back in the game if we clear 61.51 and we start trending with one way. Yes, I'd be kind of worried. Wouldn't feel comfortable. I'd have to wait for a sure trade that I feel really comfortable, really confident with great risk reward scenario, and see how well I can execute that. But yeah, so that's my trade update, trade journal update. Things I think I could have done better. I think what I did, or let's see, what I did good was buying in here at 28.75 to run up here. I think where I failed was not selling here and going short as I would have liked. That's something that I was doing yesterday quite comfortably. I was watching. I think I got short here, even though I got wicked out a couple times. And I nailed it all the way down here. Then there was a couple moments in here where I was able to scalp really quick. So I feel that puts me back in my zone. That usually tends to put me in the zone. But yeah, kind of putting myself in a situation that where I was looking strictly for setups or strictly trading to a plan. I felt like I couldn't maneuver as much and do what I wanted to do when I saw it. So yeah, that's where I'm at. Currently seeing now looking back, now I feel like I could have put on a trade here, 27.59 right below that, kept it really tight. But yeah, I think I'll probably lay off for now. I hope I stay away for the rest of the session. And I think I'm getting close to my $3,000 mark. I'm like $976 away, so I really gotta watch out. But it's cool having these parameters. Really pushes me to work hard at getting really good, or trying to get good and understanding what I'm doing. So that's about it for now.